By the way, this is my first foldable phone. So welcome you guys to the Plug-in Duo. This is gonna be a short unboxing of the Galaxy Z4 Flip 5G. I know that they're having a lot of showing online. This is an unboxing of an actual device on retail packaging. So anyway, without talking too much, let's do this. So, literally just got this today. So let's open this puppy. And of course, some protection. My variant is, by the way, from T-Mobile, but of course there's no branding on the phone itself. So it's a pretty small box, pretty thin. So Samsung changed their packaging to be just a little bit more eco-conscious. But anyway, let's get to it, okay? Ooh, so of course, as you guys can tell, this is the Bora purple. Before we get to this beauty, let's see what's, actually, you know what? Let's do this, let's see. Ooh, wow. This feels nice. This feels very nice, very premium. Let's see what else is in the box. So on here, there's nothing else. Let's set this box aside. So on here, so on the underside of the cover, doesn't want to come out. So there's not much, just exactly what you need. You have, let me see, that's it. Inside of here, you have your quick start guide. You have your USB-C to USB-C cable. Very nice, with matte black color. You have your SIM removal tool, and that's pretty much it. But you guys are here to see the Z Flip 4. This is it. So I see an arrow right here, so let's start from here. By the way, this is my first foldable phone, and I have to say, I am genuinely impressed. Oh my God. So I have to say, this is very, very nice. And the color, this one is Bora purple. Very, very attractive, interesting color. This one has a matte finish, and here you have a glass portion. This is where the 1.9 inch AMOLED screen is for your outer cover screen, your flash LED, and you also have your two cameras, which are both 12 megapixel. One is ultra wide and one is wide. And inside of here, you also have a 10 megapixel selfie camera. Your fingerprint scanner is right here on the power button. So this screen is a 6.7 inch folding AMOLED 2640 by 1080, which equals out to 425 pixels per inch. It is HDR10 certified, and it has a refresh rate up to 120 hertz. So it'll give you those smooth transitions and those smooth animations. The cover screen is 1.9 inches, also AMOLED. So the Flip 4 this year has a 3700 milliamp battery compared to last year for the Flip 3. It also has a aluminum armor frame. You also have stereo speakers. This is great. IPX8 water resistant. So even though it has a folding mechanism, it's still water resistant, so it can take a splash. It features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which this year it features a 4 nanometer architecture. So this device, regardless of memory, has 8 gigabytes of RAM. You have different options. It goes from 128 to 256 to 512. Right now, if you order it before August 25th, you actually get double the memory for free. So this device is actually 256 gigabytes of internal memory. All of them have 8 gigabytes of RAM, comes with Android 12. Again, stereo speakers, and with a starting price of $9.99. It has USB-C and is super fast charging capable. It also has fast wireless charging 2.0, and what's great is that it also has reverse wireless charging. So this device can actually charge maybe your smartwatch, your earbuds, or what have you. That is a really great feature. This comes in 4 initial colors, and by the way, this is the Bora purple. So there's Bora purple, graphite, pink, gold, and blue. You also have some other colors which are called the bespoke colors, and you can change everything from the color of the frame to the lower cover, the upper cover. So you can make the phone your own. Only thing is that I believe that those ones are only available with unlocked versions. You know, enough talking. This is what this phone is about. Ooh. This feels really good. And this is called flex mode. So you can actually put your phone like this, and you don't even have to worry about somebody holding your phone. You just set it this way, take selfies without having somebody else hold it, and just set it, what have you, on a table or whichever surface, or you can be having a video call. See, you have the Samsung branding right here, but wow. This feels really, really nice. Really nice. I'm impressed. This is my first foldable. I have never actually unboxed one. So for reference, for those of you who have been following the channel, I am currently a S22 Ultra user, and this is the difference between the two phones. This is a 6.8 inch screen. This is a 6.7 inch, but of course, the party trick for this is when you fold this, it is much more compact than the S22. See, for reference, see how thick this is folded? This is how thick the S22 Ultra is. I really like this color. This color is really, really nice. I didn't think it was gonna be this attractive, but this is a really, really nice color. So I still have to set this phone up, but let me give you guys a teaser. The review for the Flip 4 is coming. Just want to show you guys the unboxing. Stay tuned. I will also be reviewing the Fold 4. So for those of you on the fence, whether the S22, the Flip 4, or the Fold 4, we got you covered here on the Plug-in Duo. So let's turn on the screen. So here we go. Yes, you can see on the middle that there is a slight crease, but honestly, I think a lot of people make more of an issue than what it really is. In my opinion, the colors are nice and bright, very fluid. Comes with a built-in screen protector. And let's close it. And let's see if we could turn that screen on. Oh, wow. And see, right here, you get the time, the date, and how much battery you have. Definitely a very, very interesting form factor. Almost of the S22, but when you're not using it, it's compact, and especially the viewing angles are insane. Whatever angle that you leave it at, that's where it stays. I could not be more impressed. Before this gets too long, thanks for watching this video. This was the unboxing of a retail version of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 5G smartphone. Stay tuned for the review, a full review for this device, and a comparison between the Z Flip 4, the S22, and the Fold 4. So my name is Julio, my wife behind the camera. We are the Plug-in Duo. We'll see you guys the next time we plug in. I hope you guys have a great day. Leave a comment. We hope that you consider subscribing, and we'll see you guys real soon with the full review. You guys take care. Have a good day.